This animal loves to play fetch. It's a dog. Can you say dog? This animal says meow. It's a cat. Can you say cat? This animal can fly. It's a bird. Can you say bird? This animal lives in the water. It's a fish. Can you say fish? This animal hops around. It's a bunny. Can you say bunny? This animal swims in the pond. It's a duck. Can you say duck? You can ride this animal. It's a horse. Can you say horse? This animal gives us milk. It's a cow. Can you say cow? This animal rolls in the mud. It's a pig. Can you say pig? This animal gives us wool. It's a sheep. Can you say sheep?